Hi, I'm Andi Lew and you're watching My Wellness Kitchen. Now today we're going to make a paleo chocolate cake from one of my recipes, and we're going to be using only natural ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, eggs, and some Slim Secrets sugar-free chocolate. Add 100 grams of Slim Secrets Choc Bites. They're chocolate love bites and they're sugar-free, and the reason why I like to use this is because they're also added with protein. When you do melt chocolate, make sure it's in a bowl over the top of the saucepan and not in the saucepan. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Half a cup of rice malt syrup. If you're using honey, you only need 1/4 of a cup because this is much less sweeter. Blend and puree those ingredients until really smooth. Mix the two ingredients together, and instead of stirring, we're going to be using a technique called folding. We need to get 3 egg whites, so keep that yolk inside the shell. For protein and good fats, let's put a full egg into this mixture as well. Beat those egg whites until light and fluffy. Line your spring tin with baking paper so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Put it in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Sprinkle with very fresh freeze-dried blueberry powder. Let's add some more Slim Secrets sugar-free chocolate. Now the good thing about this is that it gives it texture, and if your cake's still warm, it'll melt a little bit on it. How good is the paleo chocolate cake? It's got no sugar in it thanks to